Model, 2020 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 Heavy L3H2 BlueHDi 140 Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 69,400. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 1 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Fault code for injector cylinder 1, still starts and drives okay. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 11,000.